Odd combination, but a couple more things to socialize puppies with. Helmets, crutches, aka cane. What's up, puppies? Is that a grandpa? Or is that a weird alien dude? You're gonna get nose prints. You got quite the crowd. Nope, you're going behind me. Everything's a game to them.